Hello everyone and welcome to this video and to my workshop. Now for the past 30-ish days I've been part of the internet challenge Inktober. The challenge is to draw something every day based on a theme, and the themes always vary, but my medium is always the same. Most people draw on paper and I have started drawing on these wooden slabs. And now I thought I'd invite you along on the journey on how I get these from being logs to being finished drawn upon slabs. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Hi everyone, it's me again. So I hope this gave you a sense of the work that has been done even before coming to the drawing stage. Which, let's be honest, it is the most fun stage. In this video I didn't get to show you the sourcing or the preparing of the wood, that would have been too boring, but there's the cutting, there's the drying, which literally goes on for days really. Then there's more cutting, then there's sanding, and for those interested I use 60, 120 and then 180 grit sandpaper. And then there's all the cleaning that has to be done before I can sit down to draw. As you see, I use a pencil to sketch the lines with before I go over with a 0.1 felt tip pen. I colour with pro markers. Sometimes I colour the same areas twice to give the colours more pop, and then I draw over most of it again with a thicker felt tip pen. These projects are really super soothing and fun, and I love it. If you like this, then please leave a like. You can also visit the store that I've made at Etsy or the Norwegian equivalent Epla. The links will be in the description. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.